Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OAuth login with Google Sign-In in React, beginner guide step by step clearly.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect OAuth login with Google Sign-In in a React application.
First, ensure you have a new or existing React project. If you don't have one yet, create a new project using Create React App. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app myapp. Navigate into your project directory using cd myapp. Now, install the necessary packages for Google authentication.
Run the command npm install react google login.
Next, go to the Google Developer Console at console.developers.google.com. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project and then New Project. Give your project a name and click Create. Once your project is created, navigate to the Credentials tab in the sidebar. Click on plus Create Credentials and select OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. You will need to configure the consent screen before creating credentials. Click on Configure Consent Screen. Select External and fill in the required fields. Add your application's name and contact information. Save the changes and return to the Credentials tab. Now, create your OAuth client ID by selecting Web Application. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, add http://localhost 3000. Click Create to generate your client ID and client secret. Make a note of your client ID as you will need it later. In your React application, open the src/app.js file. Import the Google Login component at the top. Import Google Login from React Google Login. Next, create a function to handle the login response.
This function should accept a response parameter. Inside this function, check if the response is successful. If successful, you can access user information from the response.
Now, add the Google Login component in the return statement of your app component.
Set the client ID prop to your Google Client ID.
Assign the onSuccess function to the onSuccess prop of the Google Login component. You may also define an onFailure function to handle any errors during login. Style the Google Login button to fit your application's design. Save your changes and start your application using npm start. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.